Now see here, 4 charges plus q, minus q, plus q and minus q are placed at the 4 corners of a square of side A. We have to calculate potential energy, or you can say the work required to arrange these charges in this system. So, or we can say the electrostatic potential energy of the system of these charges, that is the same thing. So, just you have to calculate potential energy of the system of these 4 charges. So, see here, initially we assume all the charges are at infinite distance, where potential energy of the each charge is 0. So, suppose first charge q is brought to the point A from infinity and there is no other charge. So, we can take charge q is brought to the point A, this is the plus q, no work is done because there is no electric field. So, it has no potential energy. Suppose charge minus q is brought to the point B from infinity to this point, then the work is done. In that case, potential energy of this charge can be written U1 is equal to q, that is a minus q square plus q into minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught A. So, this is the potential energy of the system of these two charges. Now, the third charge is brought here at the point C and the charge is plus q. Then it has potential energy due to this and potential energy due to this, and this distance is a root 2 because these sides are A. So, diagonal is a root 2. So, the potential energy of this charge can be written U2 is equal to, due to this charge, minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus due to this charge q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A root 2. Now, fourth charge minus q is brought to the point D over here. This charge has got potential energy due to this and due to this. So, this we can take as U3 is equal to, due to this it is minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A because it is A, due to this also can be written plus minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A, and due to this can be written plus q square, this minus q into minus q is plus here, 4 pi epsilon naught A root 2. So, this is the U3 is the potential energy of the charge at point D due to the presence of the other 3 charges. So, now the total potential energy of the system of this charge can be written U1 plus U2 plus U3. So, now let us write the equation for the total energy, that is U1 plus U2 plus U3, and then we calculate it. So, now see here the total energy can be written U is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3. I have put the values of U1, U2 and U3, that is minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A root 2 plus minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A root 2. So, we can add all these things, all the minus terms are here the 4 times. So, we can write minus 4 q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A plus 2 q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught root 2. So, now the q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught A minus 4 plus 2 upon root 2 by solving this. So, this is the potential energy of the system of the 4 charges arranged at the 4 corners of the given square.